Welcome back to Blue Sea Channel. Today I will be showing you how to draw a parrot. Just a minute. That is our first step. Now we are going to close it. This is our parrot soap. This is our parrot. Now, it's okay if yours doesn't look exactly like mine. Just try your best. Now we're going to do this. Alright, now let's keep going. Now we can draw the belly of it. And then we will draw this. Now we will do and then if you want you can kind of round it up and like make it a triangle. So this is how your parrot should look while you are doing it. Kind of like that. Now we will actually keep going. Now we are going to do this with your parrot. Now we can connect it, and we can do a line here, and then do this. And then we can actually keep going on the bottom layer, and then we can add a few stripes for the feathers, like that. This is how our parrot is. Now we are going to draw an eye. And then that. Alright, let's keep going. Now we are going to add the legs. Like that. Alright, let's keep going. There. And now, this is what they should look like. And then we can extend our branch that he is on and add some leaves. There. And then now we can add a few pebbles on it. And we can add some more leaves. There. And this is how our parrots do. And hold on, this might be and I would prefer coloring like this part of the eye black. And so his eye would be black. And then probably right there would be like green. And then that would be red. And then his body would be like green. Then down there. And then down there would be like dark green. And then what we drew here would be dark green. And our pebbles would just be green. And the branch that we drew would be brown. So, bye. I'll see you again in our next episode. Also, you could make this part of these leaves like a bit yellowish. So, bye. I'll see you again in our next episode.